Hi everyone and welcome back to Rosie's Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the newest palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills called Amrezy. I'm so excited to try it. I actually got it for my birthday, so I am thrilled that I got it. And look at this beauty. I love how glittery it is. Beautiful. And those are the colors. Look at those gorgeous colors. So I got some ideas off Instagram, so I'm going to be trying them out on my face and see how I like them. I might succeed, not succeed. It's the first time that I'm blending these colors. I'm hoping that they actually blend well. So let's try them out. So the first color I'm going to be using is called Wasted. I'm using that as my base color. Make sure that before you start on your eyes, you put some of the concealer on it to make your color pop. So that's what I did before putting any of the eye makeup. So next color, it's gonna be Leo. I'm gonna do blues and pinks for my tutorial. So you pat that Leo on, that color, and you do it lightly. You don't wanna pat it heavily because the next round you're gonna do a heavier coat on. So you do Leo, and then you follow up with BK, which is like a black color, and you put that in the corner of your eyes because you wanna add some smoky eye to it, but you want to do it in a way that you cannot see the black, that it becomes blue, like a dark blue. So that's what I'm doing right now. And the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to cut the crease with Tarte Shape Tape. So once you do that, it makes a clean look, so you're able to apply any color and it will pop. And what I'm going to be using in the corner of my eyes is called the Amrezy, which is a hot pink color. So after you cut your crease, you apply this color, and that is the color that I'm going to be using on my eyes. And I really like how the two colors blend together. You want to grab some of the BARB color, the barb color, in the corner of your eyes, so to blend these two together. And you want to do that throughout your eye. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that right now. Hit subscribe and hit the bell to be notified once I post a video online. You do not want to miss out. Follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official, and let me know what you think of this video, what you think of my channel. If there's something you want to see, let me know. I accept any suggestions. If there's any product you want to send me to try out, I'll be more than happy to try it out for you. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm feathering out the colors. You want to blend those well with your skin to make sure that everything's clean and it's blendable, no lines. And after you do that, it's time to contour your face. So I'm cleaning up my face, getting rid of that excess eyeshadow that dropped into my cheeks, putting the eyeliner and the eyelashes next. So I use some of the Tarte Cat Eye eyeliner on my eyes, and the corrector that I'm going to be using next that you'll see, it's called the e.l.f. eye corrector, and it runs about $6. So I love it because every time I make a mistake, I'm able to just correct it with that corrector. So after you apply your lashes, you want to make sure that you use the mascara to put it all together. And the mascara that I am using right now, it's called the Tarte. I love this mascara. It's only $21, but sometimes they have a sale where you're able to get it for $10. So that's a steal, especially for some good quality mascara. Next, I'm gonna be baking my face. So you do that first. You can add some concealer. Some people like to do concealers first before they do baking, but I'm just gonna go straight and do some of the baking. I feel like I don't need concealer once I do the baking. Sometimes concealer gives you lines, and with this, you don't need any concealer. You just do the baking powder, and then you're able to do some of the contouring. So I'm using the contour kit, light to medium, from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And like I said before, the most important thing about it is blending. All right, so we are getting to the end of the video, and I just want to say thanks so much for watching. If you missed my makeup videos, please let me know down below. I've been doing a lot of reviews on things that I've ordered online, but if you missed doing makeup with me, let me know. Let me know that you want to see me more, because I have a lot of palettes and I do my makeup every day, but I just don't record it every day and I don't review it, which I should if that's what the audience want. So let me know down below, and if you want to see reviews on things that I buy, also let me know. Follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official. Leave me a comment, let me know that you're following me so I can follow you back. And I appreciate your time, And right now what I'm doing is doing some of the highlighting. You want to do that on your cheeks, on your nose, above your lip, on your eyes, and the inner corner of your eye. That is very important. Make sure that you highlight it, because even if you contour and you don't do any of the highlighting, then what is the point of this? So make sure you do that. Make sure that you blend everything well. And on my lips, I'm going to be using some of the ColourPop Rabbit. This color just makes everything go together. And you're going to be using some of the Urban Decay setting spray. Setting spray is so important. After you're done with your makeup, you got to put setting spray to put everything together so nothing moves and you're able to just set your makeup. All right, guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope that you like this new Anastasia palette that they have. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.